Hi, Dax79 here. I'm going to do a quick look and a review of a chair. According to Amazon's description of this chair is good for bad backs. So I thought instead of using my gaming chair, I'll use this chair when I'm doing my videos. This is HOLLUDLE, don't know if I said that right. Chair, let's have a look. Whoa, big bag of bits. Let's see what we've got in here. Bump from the chair. Maybe it's instructions. Ah, Penny's little gloves again. I've been using these gloves for when I'm doing touching glass and stuff, so they're great. Mickey Mouse gloves, or pyramid head gloves. Little piece here, don't know what that is yet. And loads of nuts and bolts. Okay, right. I see an arm. So they've got this nice chrome effect. It's got the buttons to move them and that. That's one arm. Two arms. Got the headrest. That's good, isn't it? There you go. It's this, see the material? Nice and soft. The wheels. The piston. Ugh, it's really heavy. It's a heavy chair. The cross section. Ooh, back panel, or the backrest, shall we say? There's the base for your butt. Your butt base. No, one, two, three, four, five rods, I guess, for the wheels. If heavy things mean quality, then this is high quality because, goodness. All right, here we go. And this is the section that links your butt to your back. It's really heavy. Jeez. We're gonna go through the instructions. Let's see page one together. Oh my goodness. Oh no, each page is a different language. I just saw all that and thought, oh my goodness. So basically, that's everything we've got to do. Here we go. Let's cut this open. Looks nice and comfy. Bright and orange. Right, left arm. 162 ILDC. ILDC. I is the Allen key. And arms. Yeah, I'm not going to do them too tight. I'll just tack them on for now because I don't want to do something wrong. I'll get them both in different places. Then the big metal piece. Big metal piece. 4K. So that's 4K. These ones I can see just need to go in. Jeez. My goodness. This is not lightweight at all. Oh, my hands. A, which is the back, I guess. Oh yeah, 3J. At least you can spin this easily. Let's lower this camera a little. Number 4, get the little pillars and POF is the little thing. Okay, this is nice and easy by the looks of it. And all we're doing is taking these little arms. Those little arms go on like that. Basically like that. Little star. Cue time lapse here. We made it. Here we go. Has its little piece of metal to clip on top. Put the wheels on. And got rubber wheels. Glad they're rubber. This is yeah, a little bit more hard work. I think it doesn't help that I'm not very well at the moment. That's why I've not been doing my cosplay videos. Oh, goodness me. Right, so this and that goes in. I'm going to have to tighten up these arms. I wanted to double check they were in the right place, but I'll just make them as far out as they'll go. So, all right. That goes there, that goes there, that goes there. The last bit here is a wee bit fiddly. You've got this little piece that your bolts go through, like so. I don't want to drop this. Right, shut it off. Right, right there. You'll go ha. You know those little clicky thing. And little clicky thing like that. Like that. You do that ha. Oh, I found it. Good to see. Last screw. Excellent. Okay. We have the chair. It's very low at the moment. Well, it's comfy. Let's have a look. So, I see. So you got. You can hire the arms. There we go. So you can hide the arms. You can hide the headrest so it's just where your head is, which is good. That's rocking a lot. What's that? What have we got here? We've got two. We've got it's not going up and down. I see. Here you book up close. Pull it. See? Okay, sit up straight, slouch. That's that one there. Oh, yeah, that's that one there. Look, and the arms. That's good. Now, how do I get it to go up? Higher. There's a bit to move for your back. That's good. Just there. Move that for your back. See? So try to work out how do you go higher. So I don't think it goes any higher than this. I think it's that is it. So you pull the lever out, get to where you want, click it back in. Pull, press back, and back to it. But it doesn't go any higher. I made the chair. It took me about an hour to make it. I have got bad hands, but there you go. It's comfy. This is now my new chair for when I'm doing my videos. So I'm going to give it, I might give it a 4 out of 5, mainly because I can't get it to go any higher. Maybe this is me doing something wrong, or it's set at this level. Therefore my legs, I'm 5'9". Any taller than that, you might find this chair a bit too low. If it could go a little higher, I think I'd prefer that. That's just me. And Dax79, 4 out of 5. Nice little chair. See ya.